Tony from Semi K-12 here, and I'd like to show you how easy it is to assign items from Dynamic Science to your students. So I'm already logged into my teacher account, and I am under Vocabulary Mastery, and I would like to assign 8.9a STARS Life Cycle and Classification Vocabulary Practice to my class. So you'll notice that there's a column on the far right that says Assign. Currently, this icon is red because indicating that I haven't assigned this to anyone yet. I click on Assign. I see my class. There are two students. I'd like to assign it to both. So I click at the top and it assigns it to everyone or designates everyone in my class. Now, clearly, if I wanted to assign it to just a group of students or one or two students, I would just click the checkbox in front of their name and just assign it to one person. The due date defaults to, the start date defaults to right now. The due date defaults to 1 week from right now, and you can make changes to those by clicking on the calendar icon next to those to make those be what you need them to be. The last date is optional. It's the close date. If you enter a close date, upon that date and time, students will no longer be able to access this resource. So it will show up on their dashboard, but it will show up in completed assignments. It'll show up down at the bottom as late or missing, and it will have a 0 grade. So keep that in mind. If you do close it and you want to allow a student to submit it, you may reopen it for that student or for any group of students. I click Apply and Assign. I close this window, and I can see that this button has changed to green. If I want to change the due date or change the students I've assigned it to, let's say I only assigned it to a group of students and now other students need it, I simply click on this Assign button again and make any changes that are necessary. Thank you for allowing us to support you in creating phenomenal science learning experiences for your students.